and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you some of the most common reasons why your Mi Band is not charging if you are using USB chargers. So let's get started. It doesn't matter if you have a Mi Band 2 or 3 or 4, they all use this same kind of USB hooks, and the main reason why the charging is not working is your USB hook, because when you have a Mi Band there are two little poles here. I have another video how to charge these without those USB hooks, but these little two connection points over here are the main reason that your charger is not working. So first thing first, whatever USB board you are using, I have a just normal Samsung cell phone charger over here. Always check your power supply first. Just use any kind of USB device. So plug it in and try, example, your phone or whatever. See what's going to happen. Yep, it's working. So now we know that we have power. And when you plug in your Mi Band, and if it doesn't work, the first reason is that it's inserted incorrectly. So make sure that you always insert your Mi Band, if it's 2, 3 or 4, make sure that you insert it correctly, that it slides easily and it slides all the way to the bottom, like this. And it should charge. If it's even little bit, half millimeter off, it doesn't work. So it needs to be all the way to the bottom. Of course, this is very basic thing. So if you have a Mi Band which is completely dead, like my Mi Band 2, I haven't used it in a long time. Let's try what it says. Always try to insert USB wrong way first. So it's completely dead. It's inserted correctly, maybe like this, and using a little bit force, now it gives me a signal. But if you don't get this charging signal, like this one now, what you can do is to clean these little two connection points and make sure that the connection is good. It's the most common reason why your Mi Band is not charging. I will show you how to do it. So the cleaning process is quite simple. You have probably already tried it. I know that there are lots of videos who instruct you to use a cotton tip or something. So that's the first thing to try, to rub these contacts with the cotton tip, like this. But if it's really greasy, it doesn't always be enough. Oh, let's take this one too. And those outer contacts from here, clean these too, like this. But there can be some corrosion and it doesn't clean enough with the cotton tip. So take something like a sharp knife and scratch these surfaces a little bit, like this. And from the bottom of the charging hook, these two, like this. And gently rub one more time, like this. And now when you insert it correctly, I guarantee that you will have a good contact. Okay, now that you have good contact, you can ensure that you have power, you have good contact with those contact points, charging points. There's one more trick to do. If your Mi Band is not charging after these tricks, you can try to hard reset it when it is connected to the power supply. It's a rare thing, not many people know it, how to do it, but I will tell you. Just connect it to the power supply, and of course my Mi Band 2 is alive, but to do it, ensure that it is connected and all the way to the bottom, that the contact is good. Hold this button and keep holding it at least 30 seconds. Usually it takes something like 1 minute, and it doesn't show you anything necessary. After your Mi Band is connected, and by holding this button for at least 1 minute, I'm quite sure that your Mi Band is going to be alive again. You don't need to believe me, just try it. I guarantee it's working 9 times out of 10. So if it works, leave me a comment, press that thumb up button, subscribe if you want to see more tips like this. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next video.